Tell me about the Google Ads campaign that humbled you. Okay, Ali, please share your wins. I want to hear about the disasters as well. Okay, what business niche was it? How much money did you burn? How many months did you keep believing it would eventually work? What optimization rabbit holes did you go down? At what point did you realize the strategy itself was wrong? Did you recover the account or did you rebuild everything from the scratch? No judgment, just honest stories. Okay, so being in this field for more than 18 years, it's a long time, long years of experience to share, and there can be many campaigns, where we won, where we were struggling. I think that it's also depends upon how much patient the client is. I remember there was a one health product, Shilajit, if you know. One client was from US. She had the Google Merchant Center account suspended. We helped them to restore, and then they eventually turned into the Google Ads management plus GMC management, and then they were doing at a break even. At the time they were break even, but she was very motivated to start around. But we looked around on the peak days, peak timing, and then eventually someday she had lost the hope, or she became very unmotivated. And I tried pushing her, but she lost the hope. So it also requires, the client financial position also matters a lot. And as a business, I'm managing your marketing part, but you as a business owner thinks as a bigger picture. You would not have started the business in first place, but you have started the business. You need to look for cons and pros in both sides of the picture to figure out. Sometimes it takes months. That for years Facebook was not earning anything through their platform because they were not monetizing. They were targeting, attracting the audience. I'm not saying that you need to do the business at the loss. I can understand. You start business to make money, but you need to look on the pictures as well. For if you say that the strategy was wrong, there are many times when the strategy went into the wrong. We covered around a few times. It happens that the account had an history for the quality score and the data, where we suggested to go everything from the scratch to another account, data to another account, but that was a account problem or account configuration problem. It was coming from a client who had a history of poor quality score and poor conversions. We tried, improving the account, but we figured out that this is an account level issue. So that was another story. It came to the account. I'm saying it because disaster for the disasters. Not every people say regarding this, but you learn from your mistakes more than you learn from your success. So, yeah, we now can help optimize, increase sales for many clients. We are doing it, and many clients are getting connected with us every day. We often receive query if we want to get our Google Ads audited, we want to get our Google Ads optimized. I want to start my business, need someone for to look around on Google Ads, SEO, Google Business Profile Management. We do offer all of these things. So yeah, I do offer. We have very good funeral service clients, in the plumbing industry client, doctor industry client. We have a lot of clients here, who have been working with us. Me and my team is working to optimize the Google Ads campaign. So yeah, these are the things. More than the wins, the disasters matters a lot, because that is how you learn and improve. Many failures are over there. Once I was working in a client and realized that the client was only getting sales in few months of the year, and they were spending in all of the year. So we suggested, instead of spending most in those months, we should spend less, as a just do brand marketing and spend more when people are ready to do that thing. And that was more into saving account industry. And let me explain, because that was a saving and account industry, and people are more into saving accounts in the start of the new year, because when there is a Christmas, Halloween, after this you spend a lot of money. You have a new year goals and where you want to save money. So the January, February, March months were the peak months, and after this, the new account openings were slow, 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 slow. So you can see that trend also matters a lot. So you need to figure out these things and understand this as well. So I hope this answers the questions and query. And if you want me and my company to help you manage your Google Ads campaign or SEO or Google Business Profile, we offer full-fledged solutions as well. You can hire me and my company through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and we are a Google partner company. Thank you for watching. and I look forward to talking with you. Take care. Bye bye.